You can revive an orchid plant by repotting it in some fresh growing medium. First, cut back any dead stalks, leaving about 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters. Then, water the orchid lightly and lift it out of its current pot. Replant the orchid in a new pot with fresh growing medium to give it a nutrient boost. Use 2 parts orchid bark mixed with 1 part peat moss. Avoid regular potting soil since it's too dense for orchid roots. If your orchid's roots were dry and shriveled when you repotted it, that means it's not getting enough water. If the roots were mushy, that means it's getting too much water. Try to water your orchid once a week in the winter and twice a week in the spring, summer, and fall. Place your orchid in a spot that gets lots of indirect sunlight so it thrives.